Finally, it stopped raining. Sun's coming out. Chicago. Yes! Sun shines out. Rain, rain, go away. Alright guys, didn't get the symbol for this local train. So, if you know the Norfolk Southern train symbol and the Norfolk Southern train destination for the local train, in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video. Okay, bye, and that's all for now. Oh, and guys, I want to show you something. Look at this. This is my Chicago umbrella. Look at that. That's the Art Institute. You got Soldier Field where Chicago Bears play. You got the Navy Pier. Then you got the Cloud Gate. Okay, you see that? Very cool city. This is where I want to go for trains. But I want to go to Colorado too, but this is where I want to be at. Chicago. Where I can go train watching. Chicago, Chicago, Chicago. And look, you got the bean right there. I got this off Amazon. This is the art museum in Chicago. And I think, I can't remember the towels. I think, hold on, I think that black tower right there you see, I think it's called, I can't remember what tower it is, but it's very cool. I want to go to this city so bad. Okay guys? And plus, oh look. You got the Navy Pier right there. Okay guys, bye, and that's all for now.